Welcome to New Trend Outdoor, where customers source us to use for the best fence, deck, post, and railing quality on the market. We are your one-stop fence and outdoor shop to get everything your property needs to finish a project. Look how New Trend quoted out a plan and start the delivery of an epic fence yard project for a client in the Cambridge, Ontario area. Designed with customer wishes in mind, we deliver the fence material to turn into a dream come true. See how our contractor referral network finds a trusted crew to get the job done right the first time. They work hard to make you happy. Check out that straight alignment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. With all the work, you can see the progress being made. Now at this point, you can see the contractors are putting the fence into alignment on this side. Our delivery truck driver ensures material gets to the contractor job sites on time. We are measuring and planning for next week's setup at this part of the video. 5 posts approximate to use near the frontage and calculate angles as the fence goes up a bit of a sloped hill. Stay tuned as this project gets near completion every day. We'll be back next week with the updates. Remember, at New Trend Outdoor, you'll get more. Thanks for watching.